Alright traders, George here, and I just wanted to give you a follow-up to the trade setup I shared with you at the end of the video I posted yesterday, which is this setup right here. Here's a screenshot from that video. At the time I was short at 16s here in the S&P as we drove up to this key balance beam, and this is on the heels of a long call that I made in the room over 85s. And this is a great one to look at here because the belief building on the follow-through, you've got yet another one here moving in favor quite well. Here's the follow-through. There's the double top, the short just below that balance beam there, and that's moved 20 points in favor on this impulse right here. And you can see once it got there, it's now finding support attempts here later in the morning. But that initial move down, another 20 points of opportunity. So that really puts the maximum favorable excursion for the handful of setups that I've shown you for the S&P at almost 100 points for just this week of opportunity. And again, if you can just capture half of those, you're hitting it out of the park. And if you're well tuned with the DSR model, you can do better than that. So great follow through to that move there. More belief building. Just showed you that setup yesterday afternoon and quickly moving in favor. A few very efficient but highly profitable trade setups all happening within the week. 92 points there, maximum favorable on just a handful of setups that I shared with you. Use the link at the bottom of this video. You can hop in the live room next week and maybe see me make a few more of these calls live. Alright traders, until then, have a great weekend and we'll see you back in the live room.